my first day back to school after a long summer. I'm joking. Tonight's a little bit different. Harrison, who's just standing over there, alerted me earlier that MPIRE are doing a car meet in North London today. And you know what? I wasn't really doing anything today, so I thought, why not get up there and see what it's all about? So you guys are gonna come with me today. We're gonna take the AMG up to MPIRE while I still got it, and yeah, have a little tear about and see what we can get up to. See how many laws we can break tonight. You never know. We might go 5 stars on GTA tonight. You never know. So yeah, come on, guys, let's go. Oh, guys, we're gonna have to stop and get some V-power on the way. Fuel's looking a little bit on the low side right now. So we're just on the way to the meet right now. It is somewhere in Wembley, so we're going around the North Circular all the way from South London to North London. It's about an hour away. We missed the convoy, which was at 7:15, so we're just going straight to the location. I think we're gonna be about 10 minutes late, so everybody should be there. Hopefully there's loads of bikes there, some crazy GTRs, and maybe even some GTSs. I might find some of my own kind over there, so we'll get down there and have a look. I do need to get some petrol though, so that is on the next agenda. So let's go and fill up and get there, guys. Bosh, this is gonna be good. Come on. Make it work. He said I got no front registration, so I have to pay first. He said you look dodgy. Yeah, he said it looks dodgy. Did you hear that, guys? Because I haven't got a front registration plate on, I have to pay for my petrol first now. That is the second time it's happened to me. I think it's because I look like a gypsy. That's what it is. Do not, if you drive in a car, do not stop at this garage. Geezer in there. It's a proper donut, mate, honestly. As if I'm not going to pay for my petrol. Who does he think I am? 70 quid does not go as far these days as it did a few months ago. I'm telling you now. Let's say goodbye to the guy in the petrol station properly, yeah? Woo! Let's go. So, guys, we're pulling up now. It seems to be in a Tesco extra car park. Not an IKEA car park, which was the location that was specified. There's a few whips floating about down here, isn't there? Bare whips, look, they're all whip lined up here. Look, now this is it. Look, they're all lined up down there. Oh, it's a chrome green. He's got the same wrap as you. That is hilarious.
And he's got Tron lines on it as well.
Look at that, bro. That is fire, bro. That is fire. We just pulled up in some car park, so I'm abandoning the whip. Hopefully it's here when we get back. We're gonna cross the road, go into Tesco's and see if we can get some naughty footage. I'm gonna put this clip before all of everything else, but basically we've just arrived at the place. Well, we're actually at our second place now, but I'm gonna cut into now some crazy footage of cars, bikes, speeding down roads which you shouldn't be speeding down, and just probably people breaking the law. So if you enjoy that sort of stuff, watch the montage now. Enjoy. There must be about 10 M4s in a row now, and a couple of A45s, and some Audi as well. What a night, eh? I could have been sat at home in my bed doing niche, but we're out here making moves. What are you saying? Next location is out, so we're gonna head there now, yeah? loud. It's literally set the alarm off inside B&Q. Guys, that is the first video of the car meet over. Empire was sick. That GTR back there, mate, was crazy. We're gonna cut back home now. And yeah, I'm gonna get back in the car meet and enjoy it. So I'll see you guys next time, yeah?